welcome back to channel Barbar TV. The right property. Every natural or legal person is entitled to the peaceful enjoyment of his possession. No one shall be deprived of his possession except in the public interest and subject to the conditional provided for by law and by the general principle of international law. The preceding provisions shall not, however, in any way impair the right of a state to enforce such law as it deems necessarily to control the use of property in accordance with the general interest or to safeguard the payment of tax or other contribution or penalties. The Convention is not alone among international human rights instruments in recognizing the right to property. The inclusion of the right in the Europa Convention, however, was controversial. The United Kingdom and Sweden in particular were concerned as to whether including in the right to property in the convention might place too much of a feature on the power of states to implement protest of national alisation of industries for political and social purposes. The formulation that was ultimately adopted provides a qualified right to property. The state accordingly has a wide margin of appreciation in implementing social and economic policies that have the effort in effort right with the right to property, but this does mean that the court has no role to play in assessing the legitimacy of the an inference, as the Europe Court of Human Rights observed in James. The United Kingdom, although the court cannot substitute its own access means for that of the national authorities, it is bound to review the contest measure under a protocol and in so doing to make an inquiry into the fact with reference to which the national authorities acted. Particularly in recent years, there have been many cases in which the Europe Court of Human Rights has found that state has exceeded its margin of application and has violated the right property granted by the first thing to bear in mind the considered article. The concept of property or possession is very broadly interpreted. It covers a range of economic interests. The following have been held to fall within the protection of article: movable or immovable property, tangible or intangible interests, such as shares, patents, and attributes award, the entitlement to a patient, a landlord, entitlement to rent, the economic interest connected with the running of a business, the right to exercise to professional, a legitimate expectation that a certain set of affairs will apply, a legal claim, the clearance of a cinema. But the protection of article of protocol does not apply unless that until it's not possible to lay a claim to the property concerned. It is only exciting property and not the right to acquire property in the future which is property that it follows that expansion in the inherit property in the future, for example, will not be protected under article. It is important to bear in mind that corporate bodies as well as natural persons might invoke See you next time. Don't forget like and comment. Thank you.